What's going on, traders? Connor back at you. So I want to come on live to talk to all of you guys a little bit more about, Boiler Room Trading's trading chat room, in the live trading room that a lot of our members are in. I get a lot of questions all the time, kind of asking, what's inside? What exactly do we do every single morning? What does it look like? What kind of scanners do you have up? And so I haven't really gotten around to it, but I figured now was a great time while I had some downtime to make this video and talk to you guys a little bit about what's inside the trading chat room. So for some of you, this may be, nothing new. For others, this may be a whole lot of something new. So I want to take the time to do this video and show you guys exactly what's inside the trading room. So, you could get an idea if you did want to join our team. You can have an idea as far as what you can kind of receive before, putting in any of your, personal information, essentially. So I'm going to go ahead and start sharing my screen. I hope you guys like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Some of you guys, and pay attention to the chat, the message box here on the video. There are a lot of traders that are inside our trading room and joining along with our trading course, and can probably answer some questions for you guys too as well. So we'll go ahead and start sharing the screen just to give you guys a little quick peek. There's not, it's not, too much, shouldn't take too long. So let's go ahead, share the screen, and get going. Alrighty, guys. So as you can see here, this is ideally what you can expect to see inside the trading room. Okay. Every single day at about 7:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, I will get on. It will be a live meeting, kind of like what you're seeing here right now. We'll have a live meeting going every single day. We have our chat room right here. This chat room will contain all of, our channels that we can, we talk in our trading room, where we'll talk about different stocks every single day in the morning. You can see all of our members in here, send out some pictures, etc. We have a swing trading room, cryptocurrency room. Here is a little morning watch, this is the nightly watch list channel, where we send out a detailed nightly watch list of stocks to watch every single night. As well as a little morning watch list right here, just shows you a few of the tickers that we're going to be watching, and so you can keep an eye on some of these all day long. So ideally, we have a few different channels to notify you of stocks we're going to watch throughout the day, stocks that we're watching for the next day that will be sent out at night, regular chat room. We have a very helpful team. We have testimonials, questions. So that's the chat room part of it, right? The chat room is always there to talk, and go over things and ask questions and send pictures. That's what the chat room's for. But everything else you're seeing on the screen is what's a part of the live trading room. So throughout the day, we're going to have up stock charts in the live trading room. These stock charts will have up, various tickers throughout the day. We'll keep up the time and shares or time and sales. We'll keep up the level 2. But this is really where, throughout the trading day, we'll be working, as a team, and we're talking, and, you'll hear me commentating all day long, saying, hey, we're building support here. We're starting to fall down, we're running into resistance, so on and so forth. We really map out the patterns. In areas that you could expect, maybe resistance, support, good buy signals, and so on and so forth. We map all of that out here on the chart so that you guys can best utilize some of the stocks that we're trading inside the room here. Then every morning, we'll have up our morning pre-market scanners. These scanners will tell you of all the stocks that are gapping up, all the stocks that are gapping down, how many shares have been traded today, the percentage that they're up, the dollar value that they're up, what's their share float. So you can expect that if enough volume comes in, these will be fast moving stocks. We look at higher price stocks. So in the morning, you'll have a detailed list of all the stocks you could basically need to look out for in the morning. That's what our scanners do. They tell us, hey, these are all the stocks you basically need to pay attention to, that every other trader is paying attention to as well. And then secondly, we also have our momentum scanners. So let me get these out of the way. We have a few of our momentum scanners here as well to use for, finding stocks throughout the day. we have a low float momentum scanner, which is this right here. This one basically alerts us of a lot of the low float penny stocks that are starting to move. So you have a whole list of alerts that come through throughout the day. Right here, we have another low float scanner. This one scans for penny stocks that have been moving in, in an upwards pattern essentially. So we have a few multiple different stock scanners. This is a multi-strategy window that alerts us of all types of different plays, from higher price stocks to potential short squeezes and etc. Right? So every single day, that's what our meeting looks like. And that's pretty straightforward. We go through stocks every single day. We pick the ones we want to trade. We put them on the screen. We show trend line, supports, resistance, and we have a chat room. So that's primarily what you receive every single day inside the trading room. Today, I ended up finishing out the day up, I believe, $1,500. With commission, it was honestly about $1,000. I had a really choppy start to my day. I was just going back and forth, and then I was able to pick up some ground later in the day and put myself green on the day. But paid a little more in commission than I obviously wanted to, but it is what it is. So ideally, that's everything that you're going to receive here, again, inside the live trading room, right? So not too much to it, but it's definitely a nice, tool to have at your side. Every single day, you have a trading team with you. You have experienced traders to help you walk through some of these plays. So it's nice to be in the right place, okay? So that's all I have for you here on this live stream. I just want to make this video so for those of you that had questions about it, hopefully that answers some of it. Do you guys have any questions for me? Any of you guys concerned about anything relating to the stock scanners, relating to the chat room, relating to the live trading room, anything at all? So if you guys do have any questions, please ask them now. This would be a great time, and then if not, we'll be done here. No, didn't make a million. Didn't make a million. No, it didn't happen today. So setting up scanners, well, you'll have to have a stock trading software, a stock scanning software. You can use Trade Ideas. You can use what's the other one? I mean, you can use like Benzinga. Benzinga is a news outlet. There's a few different stock scanners out there that you can use, and it's all based around scanning for volume spikes, short float interest. So there's a bunch of different settings you can kind of push in there. There's not really one particular way to do it because there's kind of multiple ways you could do it, I guess. The best answer to that. Nope, we don't only trade penny stocks. We trade $100 stocks, $60 stocks, $20, pretty much everything we trade. If there's value there that we see, we take it. Or you can use FinViz. You can use FinViz to find nightly watch lists. We like to do nightly scans using FinViz as well. I do have a few. We do have a few videos on YouTube, so you can go through my channel. There's a few videos that help you make some stock scanners using TD Ameritrade, and those alone will find you good stocks to trade as well. So it's not only a chat room. We're really not a chat room. Ideally, our chat room's free. It's actually, you are joining into a trading course. So what you're really doing is joining into a monthly trading course where you get a bunch of material on how to trade. You get, group mentoring. The chat room's really just there for free. It's an additional bonus thrown onto all the stock traders and members that take the trading course. You then have free access to all of our trading tools, the stock scanners, and the actual trading chat room. And that's just kind of thrown into it. So it is $30 a month, but besides that, this is kind of the sneak peek on what our trading room looks like for the members that have always wondered or people who are interested in joining us. So we'll end it there. And so for any of you guys that have any questions, always leave comments below and I'll check those. And that's how I kind of go forward. So thank you guys, once again for joining in here. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys all Monday morning for another pre-market watch list.